So you're probably panicking right now because you accidentally formatted your SD card, or all your photos, videos, and critical files suddenly disappeared and you think they are lost forever. But don't worry and take a deep breath, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover data from a formatted SD card step by step. Alright, so whether you accidentally press format in your camera, pull out your card too quickly, alright, or corrupt the drive, I've got the exact solution to get those files back. And it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Cleverfiles Disk Drill data recovery software, and I use this personally to recover all the files, because all the time, alright, as a content creator, I deal with like a lot of files, corruption, all this and that. We have multiple cameras, all this and that. Sometimes when there's a power trip, or like suddenly your camera ran out of power, ran out of battery, all this and that, and the recording didn't save, all this and that. It's a very, very common issue as you're a content creator. So there's a lot of this kind of issue that happens. Alright, and some footage is like 1-2 hour long. I couldn't basically re-record the whole 2-hour video again. So it's very, very time consuming, very tiring. So that's why I came to this software to help me recover the files, and they actually recover it really, really well. Alright, I can play back, alright, without any issue at all. Really reliable, alright, and it can save me tons of time, or rather than refilming it again, all this and that, setting up all the equipment, all this and that. Alright, with just this, I can just recover it directly, and I can use it right away. So right now I'm going to show you guys what are the features the software has, followed by a full demonstration of me recovering deleted files from my SD card itself. Alright, so yeah, you guys can see how amazing this software actually is. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and they have a lot of things that you guys can do with it. Alright, first of all, you can see all the storage devices. Alright, all this NAS storage, we have RAIDs. Alright, if you have like hard disks running in RAIDs, alright, you guys can also deal with them as well. Alright, and you also have advanced camera recovery. Alright, you can have your recent sessions. So if you're doing some recovery halfway, or certain scans halfway, alright, you guys can continue scanning, because sometimes terabytes of drive gonna take a few hours to scan. You do have smart monitoring, data protection, byte-to-byte backup, cleanup, and as well as one that I also use it quite often. Sometimes when you recover, it doesn't really recover it fully. Alright, which I use this not much. Alright, it's quite less, not very often. But sometimes, when the recovered file, there's the bit of corrupted data, all this and that here and there. Well, it's kind of presumed if you record halfway on your camera. So you can use this to repair the video itself, and work out really, really good. So there are a lot of features right here. Alright, but let me just go into my storage devices. Alright, so and just let me plug in my SD card into my PC right now. Alright, and it should show you up. So let me just plug it in real quick. Alright, it's gonna wait a while. Alright, and it shows up right over here. So external storage device, my USB-D. So this is my 32GB SD card over here. You guys can see it pop out right here, USB drive D. Alright, you guys can see I have some files inside here, and one file you will notice it says important. So you guys can see this one is an important file. Oops, sorry. Alright, you guys can see it has some important PDF document over here. Alright, I want you guys to remember the contents inside here. Alright, so because when I recover, so you guys can see, remember what the contents actually being recovered. Alright, we have an important picture over here, alright, with a nice, really nice view of it. Alright, we have an important Word document over here as well, alright, with some text over here. Alright, and yeah, so these are the 3 important documents over here. And right now I'm going to just delete it directly, alright, on my PC right here. So I'm going to just do the most dangerous step, which is either I can delete or I can format. Alright, either way, it will work. Alright, because I have some files here, I'm not going to format it. Alright, so if I deleted it, alright, if I go to my recycle bin, you guys can see there is no file in the recycle bin, so it's even deleted in the recycle bin. If I go to my USB disk drive, alright, you guys can see the important folder is completely gone. So there's no way of getting it back, which is where this software comes into rescue. So I just go to a USB-D, alright, and just click on search for lost data. You guys can see I have found all the items over here, right? You guys can see it's scanning right now. You have found 4.85 gigabytes of data, 120 files, 10.4 gig, and it's scanning really, really fast. You guys can see how fast it scans, alright? And it has already 135 files being found, but whereas in my USB drive D, there's only 2 files over here. So where all the 135 files is being, found? Well, these are all the deleted data, from years back. I mean, I've been using this SD card for many years, alright, so there's a lot of files. You guys can see 141 files. You can have archives, your document, all this and that. Alright, so whenever you're done, you can just go ahead and review, alright, file item. Alright, you guys can see the existing one. I have it over here. Alright, you can see deleted or lost. Or you can see, alright, these are all, look at that. We have some pictures, some videos, all this from here. Alright, we have like some oh, we have a PDF over here. Look at that. Okay, so we found some important document. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, we have found the important PDF over here, which I showed you guys earlier on. We have found the important word over here. Okay, so we just need to wait for it to find the important picture. But oh, you guys see that? Important. We got, oh, then you remember the important file I just deleted right just now? Alright, it's over here. So this is the folder itself. They find back the whole folder. I don't know why there is duplicate of it. Important PDF, important pic, important word. I don't know why it was duplicated 3 times. Alright, but which is really cool. So it actually found back the files itself, which is really amazing. So actually, if I found back the file, I can stop scanning already, unless you want to find like file that's been deleted like years back, alright, to the start of time, then you guys can probably continue scanning all the way. I'm gonna just stop scanning here for now, alright, because I already found the file I want. Alright, so you guys can see, I just select all the files I want, alright, and I can just go ahead and recover them. Alright, I can choose where I want to recover it to, click on next. Alright, and it's recovering my file back to my C drive. So C drive, my Windows drive. Alright, so okay, so now it is done. So let me just show the recovered data. Oh, okay. Oh, it's over here. I don't know why there's so many duplicated of it, but let me just take a look. Alright, okay, look at that. It has been recovered successfully. Alright, I don't know why they recovered like more duplicates of it. I mean, hey, my file is found back. I don't really care about why they got duplicates of it, but it's really cool. Alright, the picture works, so you guys can see it's been recovered nicely. The Word document I see, like, work. Yes, it does work. Alright, everything works. So yeah, I've recovered the file that I just recently deleted, and there's no way of getting it back from Windows unless you use this software. It's really cool. Alright, they really recovered this file. Alright, it's recovered over here. You guys can see, alright, in my C drive, and you guys can see it's in the important file, and all this is over here. So you guys can see, alright, it's able to recover all the files I want, alright, all the important files, and I can able to use them again, which is very, very incredible. Alright, so yeah, so which is really cool. Alright, and the best part about this is you guys can see there's so many files, and if there's a certain file that you want to find or you don't know where it is, alright, there's a search function as well, so you can use it to search, which really saves a lot of time if you know what you name the file as. So if I name it as important, I can just search for it. You guys can see all the important things that start with IMPT, alright, all came out, right? So you can just search it directly, alright, or you guys can also filter by file type, file size, when's the date modified, alright, you guys can have a lot of filters, alright, to filter down the exact file and all the folder that you're exactly finding. Alright, I've used other data recovery software before. Those are way more costlier than this, and those they only find the file, they don't find the folder. But with this drill, they actually find the folder itself, which makes it so much easier. Especially when you delete the whole folder, it's able to find back the whole folder for you. You guys can see all the folders all over here. Look at that. Alright, which is really, really cool. Alright, some movies that I downloaded like years back, it's all come here, this which is really amazing. Alright, so yeah, you can have a lot of filters over here. You guys can also, they also classify in like pictures, videos, audio, documents, so you can specifically search for what type of file you're looking for. So if you want to recover some deleted videos, for me, I will go to video and find, hey, which is the video that I wanted to recover, and they have the full. Then the best part about this is they also have the file, the file name itself, because a lot of other data recovery software, alright, it doesn't show the file name. They just say like video vid1, vid2, or this actually show the full file name, so you actually know, alright, what kind of video that you're finding for, which makes recovery so much simpler, so much easier, right? Which is really, really awesome. Alright, so yeah, you guys can see, alright, they also show the size, the type, all this and that, alright, and you guys can also preview that, which is really cool. They also have a mini preview. Wow, this is 13 megabytes of preview. Alright, but yeah, which is you guys can see, or you guys can preview them in videos. Alright, you guys can also preview them in pictures. You guys can see I can preview them, which is really cool. Look at that. Some cannot be previewed, but you guys can see the important pictures. Alright, some can be previewed. Alright, but some you have to recover it in order to preview. Alright, because for me, I stopped scanning halfway, so some is interrupted. Alright, but you guys can see documents, all this like PDF, Alright, now it can be previewed as well. So you guys can see if you guys want a actual data recovery software and not any like gimmicking, data recovery software that just basically just recover from the recycle bin, all this, and you want an actual one that actually works, well, you guys can check out this drill, alright, data recovery software by Cleverfiles, and you guys can see, alright, you guys can recover your files right away, alright, very, very easily, and it scans really fast, and you have like 12.4 gigabytes of data being scanned over here. Alright, whereas in my USB-D, alright, you guys can see my USB-D, alright, this is way less than a few gigabytes. Alright, look at that. I still got 229.4 gigabytes. Alright, you only use up 1 gigabyte, and where does 12 gigabytes come from? So these are all the deleted data, and some is like from years ago, so which is really cool. So if you are looking for one that actually works and actually able to recover your lost file, alright, do check out this drill data recovery software. So yeah, after you have seen the full data recovery demonstration, you guys can see, alright, how amazing this thing is, and you guys can save you so much money rather than going to the your actual data recovery shop where they'll charge you like 4 to 5 times the price or all this and that, and probably they're just using the same software like this one. So instead of like wasting a lot of money, or you guys can do this at the comfort of your own home. And the best part about this is you have the full complete privacy and control of your data as well. Imagine the guy recovering your data, he's seeing all the files that you had before that. You wouldn't want that to happen, right? So with this software, you guys can do it comfortably at the comfort of your own house, and only you can see the files itself, so no one else can see. You have the complete privacy of it, or you don't have to waste time traveling back and forth to the data recovery shop, back and forth, wasting petrol costs, wasting your time. And this one, you guys can instantly recover your files right instantly, and it's super reliable. You guys can see it recovers to my C drive. I can preview, I can even view the files. The files works perfectly fine. Alright, if you like, so yeah, overall, this is a really amazing data recovery software, and the one that actually works. So once again, if you want to check out this drill, data recovery for Windows, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and start recovering your files right now. Alright, so like I said, I'm using this software for over like maybe 2 or 3 years now. Whenever I need to recover my files as a content creator, this has been a really lifesaver and saved me hours and hours of re-recording any footage again. So yeah, once again, if you want to check out this drill for Windows, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. So that's all for today, guys. I find this video really interesting and do help you out. Alright, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩.𝖥লীsi디L, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.